Okay, guys, today I'm gonna do a Thomason train track race with two people in it, and they're gonna be electric engines. Okay, so first person is Thomas. Okay, he is number 1. Our second person is Hero, and he is number 15, I think. Okay, so this is the track. So they're going to start here, go over there, down there, around the track, over there, through the bumpy track, up there, and then back to there. And then the person to get the least time is going to win. So our first contestant will be Hero. So there. 3, 2, 1. Oh, and I'm gonna be timing it. 3, 2, 1, go. Wait. That didn't count because he went off the track. 3, 2, 1. Whoops. So I'm going to turn him on and then stop him. 3, 2, 1, 1. Looks like he stopped. So he had 1 minute and 1 second on it. And so since he just went to there, this guy will just go to there. And if Thomas can only go back to less than that, then Hero there will win. Okay. Now is Thomas, and just like last time, I'm going to start him and then say 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, and the guys only get 1 push. Okay, guys, he went to there, except he got 61 minute and I think 3 or 4 seconds. They were pretty close. I'm surprised because Thomas has a weird part on his wheel. Okay, so that was the Thomas and Friends race track for today, and I might do some other videos. Please like and subscribe. Bye.